Hi everyone, welcome to EdTech Production. In this part of HTML tutorial series, I will show you how to create table. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to create table like this. As you can see, this table has only 5 rows and 3 columns. So let's practically see how to create table. But before starting, keep in mind that in HTML, for creating table tag is used. For creating table row, tr tag is used. And for creating table column, td tag is used. For creating table heading, th tag is used. And for making one column to span multiple columns, called span attribute is used. Okay guys, these were few things we needed to keep in mind. If you remember these points during this video, it will help you to avoid confusion. Now let's practically see how to create table. So we want our table to look like this. For creating table similar to this one, we need to create table with 5 rows and 3 columns. Let us create it right now. To begin coding, first of all, we need to type HTML and body tag. Between body tag, we need to use table tag. In HTML, table tag is used for creating table. Now we need to use two attributes in this table. First one is border for specifying border for this table, and second one is the width to specify width for this table. Let us use border attribute first and set the value of border attribute to 1. Border equals to 1. Now let us use width attribute and set the value of width attribute to 50%. Width equals to double quotation, between double quotation type 50%. Now let us create 5 rows. In HTML, to create row, tr tag is used. Let us use tr tag for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us create 3 columns for each row. I will keep the first tr tag empty for now. I will explain it later why I skipped the first row. So let us create 3 columns for second row. In second row, we need to create table heading. In HTML, table heading is created by using th tag. So let us create 3 table heading columns and specify content for them. Now save the file. Save it to desktop. Name it as table1.html. If I run this code now, web browser will display only 1 row and 3 columns. Let's say it displays or not. Find the saved file, Open the saved file. As you can see, web browser displayed only one row and 3 columns. Now let us insert columns to the remaining rows. In HTML, for creating column, td tag is used. Let us create 3 columns in each row and insert some data to them. Now let us insert column to 4th row. Now let us insert column to the last row. Now save the file. Now let us insert content for first row. Now save the file. Now let's open the saved file and see how web browser displays our table. As you can see, web browser displayed table with 5 rows and 3 columns, but it does not look like the table we want. We want to make our table similar to this table. To make our table similar to this table, we need to do two things. First one is we need to make first column of first row to span 3 columns. And second is we need to make the borders to collapse into one. So let us first use col span attribute and first column of first row and set the value to 3. Col span equals to 3. Save the file. Now we need to make borders of table to collapse into one. To make borders collapse into one, we need to use CSS. To use CSS, we need to use style tag and his section. Let us create his section and use style tag. Now select elements you want to make its border collapse into single border. In our case it is table. and table row. Opening and closing curly braces. Now type border collapse, colon collapse, semicolon at the end. Now save the file. Now let us open the saved file and see how our table is displayed. As you can see, web browser displayed our table almost the same, but still we need to make the content of table row center aligned. So let us do it right now. Go to style, after collapse make text align center. We need to fix one another problem here. We didn't specify any content on first column of last row. Here we have the category 1. Now save the file. Now let's open the saved file. As you can see, web browser displayed our table same like the sample one. As you can see, both are the same. Okay guys, this was the explanation of table. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button. If you have any question, please comment below. And if you are new to this channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe.